What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on MMTLP and FINRA saga.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And for today's video I have several amazing news directly related to our story. I will show you two new letters from Congress members regarding our case. I will show you a very close deadline in the Steamroller and OTC markets lawsuit. And at the end of this video, I will show you another evidence that FINRA and SEC are trying to hide their tracks. And this shows how close we are to the resolution. So, and before we dive deep into all of this, guys, I kindly ask you to hit the like button for YouTube algorithm. For now, the easiest and the only thing that we can do in order to push this case forward to the resolution is to spread this information among as many people as we can. And by clicking the like button, you push this video forward to the broader audience, and eventually this will help us to win our battle. So just hit the like button. And let's start with the news. Meta News wrote this tweet 5 hours ago, and a lot of our community members reposted this news. So let me quote you this. Just in, Congress member Jared Huffman writes a letter to SEC Chairman Gary Gensler and FINRA CEO Robert Cook regarding the trading halt of Metamaterials preferred share. And let me show you this letter in details. As you can see, it was written just a couple of days ago on November 14th, and it says, I am writing regarding a corporate action taken by the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority on Metamaterials Series A preferred shares that had traded under the symbol MMTLP. I am writing to share the concerns of my affected constituents who are concerned over the holding of the status of their shares and to request information. And the next paragraph describes our situation, briefly describes our situation, and let me quote you further. Some of my constituents are seeking information on why this action was taken and the future state of their investments. They are requesting affirmation that SEC and or FINRA acted within their regulatory authority and operated under standard practices by issuing the trading halt, and a written response outlining what they can expect to occur with regard to their current holdings, including timelines. Thank you for your full and fair consideration of this request for information and for responding in a timely manner. So, and this is, in my opinion, 22nd or 23rd member of Congress who signed the letter in regards to our situation. And let me show you another letter that, basically, let me show you this tweet that was written just 2 hours ago by Karmic Drew. And he wrote, another letter today came from Vincent Gonzalez of the Financial Service Committee. Great to see bipartisan support taking shape for the MMTLP community. Let's keep them coming. And let me show you this letter in details. As you can see, it was written just several hours ago on November 15th, and it says, I write, Dear Chairman Gensler, I write to request that the US Securities and Exchange Commission examine the events surrounding the Financial Industry Regulation Authority's FINRA's decision to implement a trading halt of Metamaterials Series A preferred shares. I have heard from many of my constituents in South Texas who were adversely affected by this decision. I believe it is imperative that as public officials and offices, we maintain a transparent process. And next paragraph again briefly describes our current situation. And let me quote you this. As a member of the House Financial Service Committee, I take an active interest in ensuring transparency and the proper regulations are in place to protect investors and maintain efficient markets. That is why I urge you to investigate the events surrounding the trading halt of MMTLP and ensure no wrongdoing took place. I also ask that you make the findings available to the public. Thank you for your leadership and attention to this matter, and I look forward to your response. I hope we can continue our work together to protect investors and ensure efficient and fair markets in the economy. Sincerely, Vincent Gonzalez, Member of Congress. And another Member of Congress stepped in to this case, and I have to say that it is very important and it is very indicative that more and more people in a quite short period of time, more and more people from Congress, within a quite short period of time, basically within just a couple of months, made this type of letters and basically pay their attention to our problem. And in my opinion, this shows how important this problem is, and definitely we've made a lot. We've achieved a lot during these days, and I have to say that this is the pure evidence how powerful our community is if we are working together. So, and let me show you another very important news. Junk Savvy wrote this. Breaking news: Steamroller versus OTC markets. OTC ordered pursuant to CPLR 3102 compel respondent to turn over the identities or the individuals and or entities who submitted an application for the metamaterials Series A preferred dividend to be listed on the over-the-counter market. Hearing set for December 14, 2023, where OTC may argue why the order should not be made. And she added these screenshots, basically the screenshots of the letter with the deadline 14th of December. And we have less than 1 month left till the resolution of this case. And let me show you what did Richard Hoffman write. To clarify, the court did not order the disclosure of the names, and it is really important. The court set a hearing to show cause why the names should not be disclosed. Substantially different. Sorry, but court still may say yes, and I think they should say yes. So, definitely it is a huge step towards the resolution, but in general, that two options that we will have right after December 14th are following. First of all, the best possible outcome. That they have to show us the wrongdoers regarding this case. They have to give us a list of these wrongdoers, and this list will be very useful for us to use it in other lawsuits that will take place right after that. Or otherwise, the second option is that they will argue why they cannot disclose this information. And if they choose the second option, definitely it will make our life a little bit harder again. But we have to use any opportunities that we can, and this is a very, very good step towards the resolution of our problem. And the last but not the least, I want to show you this tweet that is showing that FINRA and SEC are trying to hide their tracks. So, the timing of this is very suspect, and this tweet was made by Harold Hanley. The document referenced by the MMTLP community as proof that the SEC had knowledge about naked shorting, which is being used in the rebuttal to FINRA's FAQ, has been removed. The SEC page that contained the letter by Jim DeCosta telling the truth about naked shorting and counterfeit electronic book entries is gone. Hopefully someone saved. And he added this screenshot that this page is temporarily unavailable. And he also added this. Community member King Chris the GR8 was able to locate a copy of a document that can be used to corroborate the fact that SEC and FINRA are aware of naked shorting, even though their recent statements suggest otherwise. It is a very useful document, and he added this link to the web archive, where you can find this document of 67 pages. So, this is another evidence that FINRA and SEC are the real wrongdoers, and they want to hide a lot of information from the broader audience. And the only way how they can so-called solve this problem is to kick this can down the road, and they have to wait until we will surrender. But definitely it will not happen. And in general, to win this battle, we have to move forward no matter what. And for this case, we have to unite and to do it. please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, and drop me a line in the comment section for whatever reasons you want. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack.